In this tutorial, I will show you Arc Tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So you can find Arc Tool in this stack. Just right click and beneath under the line segment tool, this is Arc Tool. I am accessing this tool. Okay. So now when Arc Tool, you can now click and drag. You can now click and drag to create an arc. You can draw it freehand to make any size of arc. Okay, so this is an arc. Right now, if you click copy and paste in front, and now if you reverse this and reverse this, you can easily make or create an unique shape using the arc tool. Okay, so I am accessing this tool again and creating an arc. However, you can manipulate this shape, its slope, using upper arrow and down arrow. I am pressing upper arrow now. Okay, and now down arrow. You can see I can easily change the slope of the arc with upper arrow and down arrow. Okay, if I didn't release the mouse. If I press C, you can see C means closed shape. It is open shape. The shape is now closed, and you can create some amazing shape using this tool as you need. Okay, now Illustrator, keep in mind the last instruction you provided. So now it is again I am typing C and it will now open shape. Okay, also if I press X, it will easily shift between the slope will be inverted repeatedly. Okay, so this is, you can manage in this way, you can manage the arc shape tool. Okay, so I am deleting this shape and accessing this tool again. If you double click here, and a dialog box will be pop up, and here is length. You can show length y-axis, type. This is close tab and open type. You can easily shift this by pressing C, and base, y-axis, x-axis, and slope. How much slope you need? Okay, you can adjust from here. So in this quick tutorial, that was for this. Okay, so if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.